Hi, it's John and welcome once again to Jan Life Sydney. It's Tech Talk time again. And today we're going to show you how to solve one of the problems with the ZV-1, in fact with most point and shoot cameras, and that is battery life. If you're new here, please subscribe, we really do appreciate your support. If you like the video and it helps you out, please give us a big thumbs up. And ring the bell so that you can be notified when we upload more great tech and adventure videos. So let's show you how to get more out of the ZV-1's batteries. Up next. So this is one of the major problems with point and shoot cameras, and it's what made me send my Sony RX100 Mark VII back. I have to say that the ZV-1 seems to give you more battery life than the RX100 cameras, but after having it for a while, I still found I needed more. I seem to only get around 30 minutes of 4K footage from one battery, so I started to think of more ways I could extend the battery life. One way was to go into the menu and turn on airplane mode so that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are off. So if you don't require them, it will extend things somewhat. So to do that, go into tab 3, network, and in screen 1 of 2, down to the bottom, airplane mode, turn it on. But this still was not enough to get me through a day's recording. So when I went into the harbour the other day, I decided to take my Mophie charger with me, which is about the same size as the camera. I also took a USB to micro USB cable here to connect the charger to the camera. And I'll put a link to this Mophie battery charger below if you want to pick one up. They're available at Apple stores. So firstly, to make this work, we need to set the camera to power through USB. And you can do this by going to the settings tab and page 3 of 6, down the bottom, USB power supply on. Now when you plug the battery charger in, you see this plug icon come up next to the battery icon, which means the camera is running on USB power. This will greatly extend your battery life, and also when the camera is put away but still connected to the battery pack, it will continue to charge. I was using the camera on and off all afternoon and I was able to get through the whole time with just one battery. To carry it all, I just needed my Peak Design 3-litre sling, which is quite a small bag, and I had no trouble carrying it around all day. On the Sony website, there is something else which I think could really solve the battery problem. That's this X series battery and travel charger kit. It's around $70 US or 99 Australian dollars. But this would mean while one was charging with the Mophie, one could be in the camera being used, potentially giving you all day battery life. For me, this has provided a great solution and really solved the battery life problem. One other thing to note before I go is the overheating of the ZV-1. But there is a way you can extend the ZV-1's time before it overheats. And that's by going into the settings once again, to the settings tab, down to page 2 of 6 in the middle, you'll find auto power off temp, and set that from standard to high, which will extend the time before the ZV-1 overheats. So I hope this little trick has helped you out if you own a ZV-1 and want to shoot all day with the one battery, or you were thinking of buying one and this has helped you with your decision. And that's it for this video, but please don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and give us a big thumbs up. And stay tuned, this week is going to be a big one on this channel with more ZV-1 and Zhiyun-tech Crane M2 videos, and also our thoughts on the big announcement in 24 hours of the Sony A7S III. the one we've all been waiting for. Until then, we'll see you all real soon. Catch you later, guys.